Today I'm making a very unique, tasty and easy chicken recipe, Hariyali chicken. This chicken dish has a unique blend of coriander, mint and spices and lends it a very distinct and mouth-watering flavors. So please do try this recipe this way and I hope you really enjoy it. My channel all about easy to follow, easy to implement, ingredients always displayed on the right and highlighted for each cooking step. If you like my channel, please do not forget to subscribe, share and like. So come, follow along and cook with me. First, we are going to make the Hariyali paste. For that, here I have taken a blender, and to this we will add some ingredients. 1 cup of coriander leaves, 1 cup of mint leaves, 6 to 7 roughly chopped garlic cloves, 1.5 inches of ginger roughly chopped, and 2 to 3 green chilies. You can adjust the green chilies based on your spice level. Now we will add a little bit of water to this and make it into a smooth paste. Now we will marinate the chicken. Here I have 600 grams of chicken. To this I'm going to first add the Hariyali paste that we made just now. So adding all of that. Then we will add half a cup of yogurt, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and some salt as per taste. And we will mix the chicken really well with all of these ingredients, and we will keep this overnight or for 2 to 3 hours. We will now start making our gravy. For that, we need 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 large onion, 200 grams finely chopped, our dry powdered spices, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. I'm adding the oil. Wait for the oil to be heated up before adding the cumin seeds. The oil is now hot, so I will add the cumin seeds, and we will wait for the cumin seeds to splutter before adding the onions. The cumin seeds are now spluttering, so I will add the finely chopped onions, and we will fry the onions till they caramelize and turn light brown. The onions have now caramelized, so now we will add our powdered spices, the coriander powder, the garam masala powder, and we will mix this well and fry the spices for another 3 to 4 minutes till we can see the oil separating out. And make sure you keep the flame at a medium low, and also add a little bit of water as you're sauteing the spices, because otherwise the spices can get a little burnt. So we will fry this till we can see the oil separating out. We have sauteed this for another 3 minutes, and as you can see the oil is separating out. Now we will add the marinated chicken. So add all of the chicken. I added all of the chicken with the marination, and now we will mix the chicken really well with the rest of the spices, and we will cook this till the chicken becomes completely tender. You don't need to add any additional water because we have marinated the chicken with yogurt, and the chicken will also start giving out water, so it will get cooked in that. So continue to cook this till the chicken becomes completely tender. Our chicken is now completely tender and our Hariyali chicken is ready to serve. It's a really tasty and easy chicken recipe, great to enjoy with roti, naan, paratha. So please do try the recipe this way and let me know how this works out for you. And thank you so very much for watching my channel.